Damn, how the fuck did that happen? Sheesh. No pasa nada.
There's no cops there. What the hell?
I know, that's crazy, huh? And that's a parked car, so how the hell no? Dang. Damn. Hey, crazy as hell out here, y'all. Welcome to tonight's video. Make sure I hit that like button. Make sure I hit that share button.
Fuck. Goddamn.
Bitch almost hit me. Are they fighting?
No, look like they had something right there.
A party, huh?
Yeah, like a party or something.
Good thing.
Goddamn.
That's what I'm saying. Good thing I was paying attention. Good thing I was paying attention. Let's get up out this city, man. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm getting out of here. I'm cool. I'm out of here. Bunch of drunk asses. You know, the female dog was probably drunk. I'm being serious. Probably was drunk. Why you gonna pull out in front of everybody that's driving right now?
Shit.
And that would have been her fault if we would have hit.
Yeah.
That would have been her fault. Straight up. That would have been her fault. Yep. But anyway, y'all, like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell. Road to 100K. And let's see all the crazy ass shenanigans and activities for tonight, man. Let's get it. Let's get into it. And enjoy the rest of this video. Let's go. If y'all remember, I accidentally pinched these wires right here. I got the whole subwoofer out and everything. But I accidentally pinched the wire right here. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to pull this amp up to check the whole entire speaker wire and everything. Because that's like the only thing I could think of what's going on with the amp right now and why it's probably doing that weird stuff that I was telling you guys about. So, yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So here we go. My whole entire setup. Yep, whole entire setup. Got the tools and everything. So yeah, y'all stay tuned right now. Come on. All right, hold on, y'all. Here we go. Let me see. Let me see. So a little update right here. This wire right here. As y'all know, if y'all was paying attention before how the way it was looking, pretty much what I did was put the wires back together, put the speaker wire back together in a better way, so that way it has a better connection. But I am gonna have to go ahead and probably replace the speaker wire again. Yep, I'm probably going to have to replace the speaker wire again, y'all, because like I told y'all, this got a whole different kind of connection. Like, it plugs in. It's not a traditional amp like this one right here. Yep, like this one right here. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try. More than likely, I believe this was probably the issue. It probably was losing connection and shit. So that's probably why I kept hearing that pop noise in the subwoofer and everything. Because if you look at the subwoofer, look. This shit. Yeah, these are still good. Yeah, these are still good. I gotta get my shoes right now and shit, man. We gonna test everything out and see how the way it does. Cause yeah, this shit's getting on my nerves. But when I do all the upgrades and everything, I'm gonna redo a lot of things in here, like the wiring, speaker wire, you name it. I'm gonna redo a lot of stuff. Cause I think it's about that time. Yeah, but I think it's about that time, man. Cause yeah, I had this in here for like about 3 years already. Except for the end, before I got the epicenter put in here. I had this whole entire setup in here for 3 years. So yeah, let's slap everything back together and see what it does, man. All right, here we go. Let's look over this shit one more time before I put it back in here. Because I do not feel like taking this shit apart again, man. I do not feel like taking this shit apart. Shit can be so frustrating at times. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. That's back in. Right. And let's put the screws back in. Yep. All right. Oh my goodness. But yeah, you guys, I do work on my own stuff. As far as like when it comes to car audio, I don't know shit about car audio, you guys. So pretty much I go based off of what I see on YouTube and Google and partners that I know out here that has experience with this stuff. So yeah. But like I said, all the wires look good. All the wiring and everything looks good. Another thing we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna look at all the other wires too as well. So we'll check out some more shit in there. I'm gonna show you guys something. Let me just mount everything down. There we go. Nice and snug. Oh, nice and snug. But yeah, there you go. Got it nice and snug down. And yeah, like I said, y'all, this is just a temporary fix. I just forgot all about it. Like ever since after, I put it back together and everything, I forgot all about this. So yeah, this is just temporary. Like I said, I'm gonna get brand new speaker wire and everything. I'm gonna try to push it for this week, but if not, for sure this month coming up, I'm gonna go ahead and get brand new speaker wire. I'm gonna get everything situated with the system in here and everything. But look at these wires. Wires look good. Wires look real good. So I'm thinking that this was the issue. Like I said, it's just a temporary fix. How this ended up happening was that the wires was right here, and I put the third row down, and it nicked the wires. It nicked the wires real bad and shit. This one was just a little minor cut. This one was pretty bad. So that's how this ended up happening and everything. So this was like about a month ago. Yeah, this happened like about a month ago. If y'all been following my channel for a while, this happened like about a month ago. So yeah, I just forgot all about it. And so yeah, everything looks good. Everything looks good, y'all. So we're gonna test it out right now. See what it does. Yep, see what it does, man. Hopefully something. Hopefully something. Hopefully something, you guys. Hopefully something. Yep, hopefully something. So yeah, stay tuned right now. Let me put everything back together, and I'm gonna check the subwoofers and make sure they come on, and that way I know I did everything right. So y'all stay tuned right now. Let me clean up and get situated. All right, y'all. Everything's working fine so far. Now I'm gonna check some more stuff. I'm gonna check the distribution block that's in the third row under the carpet to make sure that's straight. But everything was sounding fine right now. But I gotta turn it up even more louder. I can't do it over here where I live at because yeah, they got a bunch of crybaby ass neighbors in the neighborhood and everything. So stay tuned for the next video. That's when I'm gonna go do some more demos and whatnot to see how the way it's sounding. And yeah, I'm gonna go from there. Yeah, I'm gonna go from there, man. I'm gonna go from there. So yeah, y'all stay tuned right now. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so check this out. This is all the wiring. A lot of you guys were asking for the connections and everything. Here's all the connections that y'all asking for. Here's all the connections right here. Right here. That's the ground. That's the ground right there. See, if I had help. That's why sometimes I need a goddamn tripod. But yeah, here you go. That's all the connections right there. Yep, that's all the connections. Yep, that's everything right there. Right there. Yep, right there. That's all the connections. That's for the highs. That's for the 4-channel amp. All these blue wires right there. And then this is some, I don't know how the hell they did this shit. Downtown LA. Some audio shop in downtown LA did this whole setup right here. Yeah. This was not LB Auto Sounds. This was some audio shop in downtown LA off of Central and that little street right there where it's nothing but audio shops. So yeah, before anybody tries to come up in here and try to scold me and talk trash. But yeah, I don't see nothing out the usual, y'all. I'm gonna go get my shoes right now. Stay tuned for the next video and everything. And we're gonna see how the way this shit sounds. We're gonna see if it's gonna cut out again or what. Cause after this, I'm gonna take it to the audio shop and I'm gonna let them figure it out and see what's next or whatever. I'm really not even tripping on the situation, cause like I said, I am gonna upgrade the radio. And possibly some new door speakers. So I'm not even really tripping on the situation. A lot of shit's gonna get fixed. A lot of shit's gonna get upgraded anyway. So kind of glad it happened at the time that it happened and everything, you know. So yeah, other than that, man, I'm out of here. Y'all hit that like button, y'all hit that share button, y'all hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.